All right, another quick video, guys. I get asked this question a lot. Sikahi and how much money do I need to start this mini importation business? The truth is that you don't even need money. This is what most of our ladies are doing. Tomoko baby to say China Mall. Say the yes is that for now. Osha or China Mall. In fact, so ton bags are so now bags no any price no. Nti obeto no bo no akọ bags ni nyina mu bags e che no no ne wetwetwetwa ni nyina ne wetwetwetwa prices no aka ho nti the obey ne say owia na fei wakọ ne platform ebia obetuma ton ne product no ebia or WhatsApp and Facebook obe list all these products there nti o list wo ho na no de ono ne mfaso ayeden aka ho nti u place order obeji sika no nti oji sika na no no aye fast akwa order free China Mall ho na fei we deliver amount ana bebre na kra ene China Mall ho na omo ton product no eyen hihye to be place order. This is also called drop shipping. Will be place order wo ho na no etua supermarkets for ne ka no mo akwa deliver nyema no akwa koma ne customer. So this is what most people are doing. So if you want to get started, enya chinchina ne chine say e wo so kofa nyema ni bi e free China na ebeton. Ghana ho na obetumi akọ this shop. No akọ hwehwe product e wo ho in this shop no twitwa photos, twitwa prices no fa so ka ho and start selling. Most of our ladies are doing this and I'm pretty sure say also obetumi ayebi. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll be there to help you out. See ya.